afternoon, this is David Slater talking to you. Today I want to introduce you to a new strategy, a very simple strategy that you can implement whenever you use a stop loss, okay? And now generally I do not recommend using a stop loss simply because most brokers will hunt your stop loss, okay? They have special software that they use and you cannot see the software, but it will hunt your stop loss and make sure you hit it every time. And it'll actually avoid your take profit if you use a take profit, okay? So the best strategy, honestly, if you ever use a stop loss, is to use a trailing stop, or you can set a stop loss once the trade has gone into profit. Then you put the stop loss below, between the entry point and your current price, so that if it goes in reverse and hits a stop loss, it actually closes with a profit, okay? That is the most optimal way to use the stop loss. But here's another way that you can use the stop loss and not necessarily make profit, but minimize your losses, okay? So now I have this chart set here on CHFJPY, okay? This is a perfect example. I was looking at this a few minutes ago, and we see here on the 4-hour chart, which is a very strong signal, okay? If you use a 4-hour chart, most of the signals are very strong and indicate a strong reversal. But we see here on this chart, this price has been dropping all day, and right now it is not really going into an uptrend, is it? And if I go down to like a 15-minute, maybe in a 5-minute, excuse me, let me zoom out a bit. Alright, so I just want to draw a trend line, okay? This is all I'm trying to do here. And no, that's not good. Maybe from here going down. Yeah, like this. Okay, this is what I want to do right here. So we have all of these points right here that match up. So this is our trend line coming down. You understand? And what we're looking for is for this trend line to break up, okay? Break above before we buy. Alright? Now, what you're going to do is, once it breaks, go ahead and set take profit and stop loss. It's fine. And then you can kind of set and forget. Now watch this though. I'm going to go ahead and just place a trade anyways. Let's pretend that the price is already broken. Alright? And what we're going to do is, I'm going to go back here to that 1-hour chart, I guess. And even the 4 hours, okay, but it doesn't really matter so much. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to place a trade. I'm going to put a take profit and stop loss. I'm probably going to put, I don't know where I'm going to put the stop loss. If I go to the weekly chart, I'm going to find a strong level of support. Right here is a pretty solid level of support. Maybe even right here. Okay. I don't want a huge stop loss, but zoom in a bit. Okay. If I go back to the 4-hour, there's our stop loss. Okay. So let's say the price is going to be going up now. Okay. It should be. Okay. And I'm going to put a take profit a little ways up above here as well, and I put the stop loss down here. Matter of fact, I probably can go ahead and mark the take profit. I'll put the take profit like right about here. That should be fine. We have a resistance right here, okay? But I want to put the take profit a little bit below. So what we can do is, watch this. I'm going to go ahead and place a trade now. This is going to be market execution. But I'm going to put a stop loss on the bottom line, which is 108.825. I'm just going to use the number. Take profit, I'm going to put at 111.058. And I'm going to hit buy, okay? Now, boom. I got the trade active. It's ready to go. Now, like I said, just imagine that this trend line has already been broken, okay? But we went ahead and place a trade anyways. Kind of a big stop loss compared to the take profit, but that's okay. What we're going to do, however, is put a sell stop pending order a little ways below here if we take profit, okay? And probably about a 200 point pending order, take profit. And what will happen is, a lot of brokers, like I said, a lot of brokers will hunt your stop loss. Okay, so if that's true, if this price is going to keep dropping and dropping, and try to go for your stop loss, then along the way it's going to activate that sell stop pin order, and you won't have a profit. Okay, you still incur a loss, but it will minimize your loss. Okay, and how we do this, okay, is go to new order, and you see the price dropping now because I got the stop loss. Okay, people they want to go for that stop loss. I guarantee that's what's happening right now. So anyhow, I'm gonna put a sell stop pin in order. It's funny how the price just starts dropping. All right, so I'm gonna put it 109.600. All right, I'm just gonna pick that. I can always, oops, I don't know what I did. 109.600, and take profit at 109.100. Okay, I can always readjust this, but I'm gonna put this on here for just now. All right, so that looks okay, right? So I got a 500 pip take profit. Okay, 500 pip profit, and for the loss, okay, now I got a 1,539 pip loss. So I'm gonna lose $150 according to this. All right, but I'm gonna gain $50 if that take profit, if that stop loss is hit. Okay, so in the end, I'm only going to lose about $100 instead of $150, which I could have lost. Okay, now, yes, this strategy is a little bit risky because if the price drops, hits that sell stop, activates, and then bounces back up, then you're kind of screwed because this trade is open. Okay, but it's not so bad because you have a take profit here. Okay, and what you can do also with this one, check this out, you could put the stop loss like just above the take profit here. Okay, and watch this, I'm gonna go back here and modify. This is like playing cat and mouse, right, with your broker. I'm gonna put the stop loss here at 111.100. Now watch this. Okay, so now I got the stop loss just slightly above this take profit. All right, so if, and that's like I said, this is about $150 loss, but if it goes and hits the take profit, then I get a $68 win. So that's either way, if I hit either stop loss, I'm still going to have about the same profit, to cover my loss. Okay. Hopefully, what will happen is, hopefully that stop loss will not be hit. Okay. Hopefully this will go up and just hit that take profit and close. You won't have to worry about none of that. All right. But if it's true that broker is really hunting your stop loss down here, it's okay, because they're going to be sorry. They're going to be sorry that they messed with you, because you're kind of tricking their system, if you will. Okay, because now they're going to be confused. Okay, what do I do now? Do I go up? Do I go down? They don't know. Alright, because you put this sell stop here, they don't want to go that way, but you have a stop loss at the same time. They're going to have to go one way or another. Alright, you see how I put that sell stop there? Now it's kind of stalled out. It's not dropping no more. So we will see. Okay, so but anyways, play around with this strategy. Okay, like I said, it's not 100% perfect, but this will help minimize all your losses. Okay, and like I said, if the brokers are dishonest, which I feel that probably 90% of them are, they use a technology called Virtual Dealer Plugin, or VDP. You can search for that on Google, search on YouTube. I'm not going to talk about the VDP here, but maybe in another video. But really, it doesn't matter. The fact is that if brokers hunt your stop loss, you need some type of fallback, some type of safety net that will help minimize your losses. Okay. Now, if you keep hitting the stop loss over and over again, even if you use this strategy, eventually you could blow your account. Okay, so still you need to follow my rules of entry, and if you draw a trend line like this, wait for that trend line to break. Okay, and then place a trade with take profit and stop loss, and put another pin and order in there to help minimize your losses. Okay, so I hope this video helped you a little bit as far as how to use a strategy. Please let me know if this strategy works for you. I don't know. I need some feedback, so please contact me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video. Please contact me there and let me know how this is working for you. Also, you can post in my Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, I'm going to put a link for that in the description as well. Okay, so go down in the description of this video, click on the link to join my Facebook group, and post any questions or comments, or post your review for this, Post your review for this, and just let me know, let everybody else know how this is working for you. Okay, so with that said, hope you have a wonderful day. Just let me know if I can help you at all with Forex or anything in general, and I'll do my best to try and help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.